Hi everyone, good morning. Am I audible? Okay. So in yesterday class, we have created one Catalan lesson. Add group to user. Okay, sorry, add group to user. So I'm going to maintain item. Add group to user. Wait, it's loading. Yes, we have created. So when we select user and group, and we add the relationship between user and group is created. Perfect. Now we have to do something from the workflow. Okay. So yesterday we created manager approval right. but that manager approval is going to the current logged in users manager approval. But we require whatever the user we selecting within the catalog item form, we have to go for that manager approval, that user manager approval. Okay, we'll do that one. So I'm saving it. I'm going to the process engine. So here I'm opening the workflow. Okay. Wait, it's loading. So I'm checking out the workflow. Here you can see. So in the approval user activity, the approval is going to the current logged in user manager instead of the user we selected in the catalog item form. But our requirement is to send a approval of selected users manager. Okay. Wait, it's loading. Then scroll down. So this we can able to do two ways, like directly setting requested for value from the run script activity. Otherwise, we have to do some script here. Okay. Yes, I'm opening this lock icon. So I'm removing this one. Okay. So here I'm going to the advanced. Here I'm going to advanced. So I have clicked on advanced. So here you can come here. So you can uncomment these two lines. So here you can do the current logged in users manager. Okay. Sorry, current user selected in the catalog item from that manager. CURRE and current dot variable start user dot manager. Okay. So I'm giving like this. Current dot variable start user dot manager. Here I use the multi dot one. So the user we selecting in the catalog item form. So we are bringing that that user's manager here. Okay, I'm updating it. We can try once whether this is going perfectly or not. Okay. So here I'm selecting ng user. Maybe here I'm taking a network group. I'm clicking on order now. Okay. I'm directly opening RATM. And scroll down. It went to whose approval? Abel tutor approval. Okay. So what is this ng users manager? Who is this ng users manager? You can see. Who is this ng users manager? Abel tutor. It is going perfectly or not? Yes, it is going perfectly. Okay. Yes. And here you can see requested for is system administrator only. Whoever raising a request, that user is selected in the requested for here. Okay, in the maybe in the next catalog item. So we'll change this also. Okay. Next, I'm going to workflow editor again. I'm going to core. So as per yesterday's discussion, we have to keep group approval also, right? So whatever the group we are selecting. So am I audible properly?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, just recording got actually stopped earlier.
Okay, okay. Okay. Yes, now it is recording. So maybe due to internet issue, it was disconnected and connected again. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Now you can see. I'm saying group approval. So here also, if you want to give the approval statically, yes, we can able to give. But whatever the group we are selecting in the catalog item form, we need to get that group approval. So here I'm stage giving waiting for approval. I'm scrolling down. So we don't know dynamically we have to provide that group name. Whatever the group is selected in the catalog item one, that group approval we have to go for. So you can see here it is coming. So here I'm saying what current dot will start. Variable name is group. Okay, now it will go to the selected group approval. Now it will go to the selected group approval. So in the approval activities, we have to provide like this. Okay, in the approval activities, we have to provide like this. Yes, I have given and I'm submitting it. Okay, so you can see guys, wherever I used approval activities, stage I have taken waiting for approval. Okay, stage I have taken waiting for approval. So we have to add a few more extra activities, okay, to this particular workflow for maintaining the stages perfectly. Okay, I'm saying. Yes, where we have to use this approval group activity once the user approval is completed. Once the user manager approval is completed, we have to keep this group approval. So if this group approval also completed, then we have to execute the transcript. Otherwise, it has to reset. Okay, perfect. I have added lines as per that. Okay, perfect. Now you can see whenever the so approvals is completed, whenever the approvals is completed. Okay. So we have to add a approval action activity, and it's just for setting the stage. It's just for setting the approval state. Okay, approval action activity will help us to set the approval state. PROVD. So here I'm saying request approved. Request approved. Okay. Yes. Then scroll down. Mark task as approved. Then submitting it. Once the approval stage is approved, so we have to execute and run script. Again, I'm dragging this run script activity to here. Okay. Yes. If it is a rejected, again I'm adding the approval action activity. It is a rejected. So you can say rejected. Activity. So here I'm saying request to cancel. Okay, request to cancel. So here action I'm taking mark task rejected. Okay, I'm submitting it. Yes. So if it is a rejected, so we have to go for rejected approval action. Here also it is a rejected. We have to go for rejected action. Okay. Okay. Next. Yes, we have approval action taken, approved and rejected. Then we have to set a field values of RATM, state and stage values of RATM. Okay, if the process is went fine, everything, so we have to use a closed completed state. We have to set a closed completed state. So if it is a rejection, we have to set a state closed incomplete. Okay, for that I'm going to set value. For that I'm going to set value. Okay. Yes. So I'm saying completed. So here I'm selecting a request completed. Directly I'm selecting completed. Okay, stage is completed. I'm selecting. And here you can see I'm setting the values of state. Close it complete. STAT state. close the comment. So I'm updating it. So these all are the some decoration kind of items. So we must to do so within the every workflow. Okay, like setting the values properly. We have to use all these activities. Next, again I'm taking set value activity. Cancel. I'm saying again stage request cancel. State I'm setting closed incomplete. The state I'm setting closed incomplete. Yes, I'm submitting it. Okay. Yes, I'm clicking on this link and it will look like this. Any queries within this workflow, please let me know. Yes, any queries within this workflow. No. Okay, fine. So once you submitted a request, we'll go for manager approval of the user you selected in the catalog item form. Once you get that approval, you will go to the group you selected in the catalog item, that group approval. Once that approval also came, the group will successfully adding to the user. Okay, the group successfully adding to the user and it is closed complete. Next, if manager approval is rejected, the request will cancel. State will set to closed incomplete. Okay, like that. Now I am publishing this workflow. Now you can see we will raise a one request now. Now I'm refreshing it. I'm user, I'm selecting and user. Maybe I'm selecting database. Okay. I'm clicking on Aadhaar now. Now I'm directly opening the RATM. You can come. So who is Anji's manager? Who is Anji's manager? Abil Tota. Yes, it went to the Abil Tota. So as we have full access to the Servicenow instance, I'm approving this request. You can think, so this request is approved by Abil Tota, like that. Yes. Abil Tota is approved the request. Then, show up. And then what happened? What happened once we get the Abil Tota's approval? Tell me guys, what happened? It is finished. It's finished. So the group approval is not generated. That means maybe we made any mistakes within the group approval. We have to check. So I'm checking out. I'm going to approval group activity. So you can see current CURR E and current.VA.RIA.BIS dot group dot. Maybe here I'm giving SysID. Okay, I'm also giving that group SysID. I will update and I will try to submit a request one more time. Okay. Yes. So come and refresh here first of all. I'm saying Anji. Maybe here I'm selecting service desk. I'm ordering now. Okay. Yes. Then scroll down first of all, you can open show flow. Yes, it is running for Manager approval. And this manager is added to that. Now able tutor is approving the request. You can see. Then after what happened, it went to group approval. Okay, it went to group approval. What's the group we selected in the catalog item form? Service desk. Okay, we selected the group service desk. Yes, it went to the service desk approval. So these are the members in service desk actually. Beth, David, Lou, and ITL. Now Beth is approving this request. Beth is approving this request. Now you can see item is closed complete. Item is closed complete. And the group is successfully added to ng user. Now I will also go to the sys underscore user table to check whether those groups are added to ng user or not. Okay. Yes. So maybe I'm opening this ng user card. You can see now ng user is a member of how many groups? Database, service administration, service, hardware, software service. This many groups. Now I'm removing this, and again I will utilize these groups for the next examples. Okay. Right. Database, hardware, service desk, service support, software. I'm saving it. Okay. Next again, yes. Now you can see this workflow and it is completed. Yes. Till now we have seen all positive cases. Maybe for one request, I will reject the group assignment. Okay. Maybe I'm selecting ng user. Maybe here I'm selecting software group. Okay. Now I'm clicking on other now. Yes. Able tutor. Sorry. Now you can Sanjay's manager is able tutor. I will also click on show flow. Refresh. Now you can see able tutor is rejecting the approval. Able tutor is rejecting the approval. His manager. Now you can see what happens. Closed incomplete. Request cancelled. Okay, you can come and refresh. It went to the native space. The approval rejection came here. So even the approval rejection came in the group, approval group activity. Yes, it will go to the same path. Any queries up to here? Any queries? Please let me know if you have any queries here. No queries. So okay, fine. So here workflow is not published. And publishing is not. Okay. Yes. So I have to use few more activities. Maybe in the next example, I will use a few more activities. Okay. Yes. I'm closing this. I'm closing this. I'm closing this. So now I'm going to create a new catalog item. Yes. Adding role related, adding group related, I have explained, right? So you can try add a role. Okay. So now I explained related to group. My next catalog item is related to delete operation and role. Okay. That means delete role from user. Delete, remove role from user. Next catalog item I'm going to explain. Remove role from user. You can come here, clicking on new button. Remove role from user. Catalogs, I'm selecting service catalog. Category, I'm selecting services. Okay, category I'm selecting services. And item description I'm giving same. And process engine, I will create a new workflow. Okay, submit it. Now we don't, yes, you can keep it. In your flow, you can select this. And I'm going to the pictures. So I'm adding yesterday's the picture, that user groups related picture. There is downloads. Yes, I'm adding it. Okay. Next. So I will also making submit button, and I don't want any attachments or anything here. Okay. I'm saving it. Perfect. So for this catalog item, what are the things, what are the variables we require? Yes, tell me. User, role. Yes or no? Generally, we require user and role. Okay, perfect. Next, we can see. I can come here. And I'm clicking on new button. I'm going to create a two variables. So first one, type I'm selecting. Maybe a reference. Okay, order is 100. User I'm selecting user. Okay, perfect. So here I'm not making mandatory redo this here. I'm submitting it. Yes. Table name we have to provide. Sys underscore user. Okay. Here I'm providing the table name sys underscore user. So I'm saving it. Okay. And update. Then you can come here and I'm creating another variable group. Sorry, roles. Role. Okay, order I'm giving 200. Okay. Yes, maybe here I'm selecting lookup select box. Previously we selected reference variable, right? So now I'm selecting lookup select box. That's fine. Okay. A role from table. Sys underscore user underscore role. Okay. This is the role table. Then. So lookup field value is name. Lookup field value is name. Okay. I want none option also. Include none. I want none option also. Wait. Maybe we'll select reference qualifier only. Yes, select box I will utilize in next examples. Okay. Sys underscore user underscore row. Yes. Question is row. I'm submitting it. I'm trying it. So that's perfect. We have user and we have row. Okay. So remaining variable types I will utilize in the next catalog item. Okay. So for role we have to keep reference qualifier only because of so they has to see. Okay, what role they have to delete from here. Wait. So I want to make user and role mandatory here. Okay, I want to make user and role mandatory here. Again, I'm going to maintain items. Remove role from user. So previously I have directly selected mandatory from the variable form. Now I'm going to write a catalog by policy. Okay. I will say make user and role mandatory. Make user and role mandatory. Yes. So you can scroll down. Yes, it has to apply some catalog task. It has to apply some requested item. Okay, I'm saving it. You can scroll down. You can click on catalog policy, web policy action. Here, a user mandatory true. Okay, submitting it. Next, role mandatory true. Submitting it. Okay, yes, we have successfully created catalog web policy action. You have any queries? Please let me know. You have any queries? Yes. Oh, I'm updating it. Now you can try it. It's already available. You can see here. So we made a variables mandatory or not by using catalog by policies. Yes, we made a variables mandatory. For example, here you can see here I'm selecting ng user. Here I'm selecting ng user. If you come to the role, what are the roles here displaying? Yes, it's almost 463 roles are appearing. But I don't want to appear all the roles here. Whatever the roles this ng user have, only those roles we have to display here. Yes or no? Yes. Whatever the roles ng user have, we have to display those roles only here. Okay. You can come to the ng user. First of all, you can check what are the roles ng user have. Then refresh here. Yes. How many roles this ng user have? 42 roles. Yes or no? Yes, 42 roles we have. Some you can see, some roles you can see. Some roles are inherited true. You can check. Inherited true, I'm filtering out. Yes, we have only my parent user roles. And I'm clicking on edit button here. I will add all ev_roles. Okay. As of now, I will add all ev_roles to this ng user. Perfect. Save. And scroll down. Yes. How many roles this user have? 16 roles. Okay. With inherited false, it is 16 roles. If it is the inherited true, what it means? If it is inherited true, what it means? This role is, if inherited true, this role is coming from group. Got it? What I'm saying? If the role record contains here inherited true, that means that role is came from group. You can open this group, for example, Servicenow administration group. You can check how many roles this group contains. Tell me. Tell me, guys. 3 roles. 3 roles. If we go to the ITL role, how many child roles we have? ITL role. Almost 20 child roles are there. Okay. All these 20 child roles and all these 3 roles, 23 roles are the inherited roles to ng user. You can see if we select inherited true, maybe we will get count. You can see almost 41 roles are the inherited true roles. Guys, so when we check, we get only count is 23. Why here it is appearing 41? So ITL role contains the some child roles. That child roles also contains some roles, some child roles, right? That's what it is appearing 41 roles. Everyone got it? What is inheritance true here? If any role is comes under another role that we are keeping like inherited true. Okay. If any role directly given to this user, if any role we have given directly to this user, that is inherited false role. Okay, got it? Yes.
Can you repeat, Anju?
So basically, if you go to the user record under roles, you go to the user record under roles. Yes, we have almost 57 role records are there. Okay. So for few roles, inherited is true. For few roles, inherited is false. Okay. So if inherited is false, if inherited is false for that particular role, that is a direct role to this Anji user. We have provided that role directly to this Anji user. Okay. So if any role contains inherited true, that role is coming from group, maybe that role is coming from as part of a child role. Okay. Got it, everyone? Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can ignore about inherited true roles because of if you want to remove inherited true role, you have to remove user from group. Then it will automatically remove that inherited roles. Okay, got it? If you want to remove inherited true roles to this user, when it will remove, you have to remove this user from the group. Then the roles will remove. Okay, got it? Yes or no? Yes. For inherited false roles, these are the direct roles to this user. Okay, these are the direct roles to this user. If we want to remove role, we have to remove only we can able to remove only these roles. Okay, if we want to remove inherited true roles, yes, we have to remove this user from the group. Automatically, those roles will remove from the user. Everybody got it this point. Only 1 or 2% is responding. What about others? Please respond. Yes, I guess I'm not able to hear you properly.
Yeah, I understood. I'm saying.
Okay, that's fine. Now you can see. Yes, we have to do this advanced reference qualifier condition here. Okay. Now I'm going to script include. We have script include, right? Script include. The system definition has script includes. Catalog util I'm saying I'm going to. So here you can see. Here creating one new function called get user roles. Get user roles. A function. So here you can see var role equal to sys underscore. Wait. We have to filter here user. Var user equal to g underscore current to dot variable start. Variable name is user. Okay. Next, we know the user sys we can able to find out this current log, this user roles. We can able to find out this current user roles. Yes, that's why I'm writing a declare record. Before that, I'm declaring one array, empty array. Okay, where gr equal to new blade record of. What is the relationship table for user and role? Please tell me. This underscore user underscore has underscore role. Next, gr dot add query of. So user sysID is coming from user variable here. The column name is user. SysID coming from this user variable. Okay. And wait. Next, we have to filter the inherited also here. Gr dot add query of inherited false unsigned. Okay, yeah. Gr dot query. So here we don't know how many roles SIDs we will get here. That's what I'm writing. While loop gr dot next. Next, you can come here. Data dot push off gr dot get value of this side, get value of role. Then we will get role sysID here. Okay. Finally, I'm returning this role sysID is as a filter condition. SysID in plus data dot join with comma separation. Okay. So how we will call as a reference call for here? Wait. Also, JavaScript colon new script include name dot function name get user roles. Okay. Yes. First of all, I'm formatting this code and I'm saving this scripting. Okay. Yes. It will come here. And so I will note down this one. JavaScript code on this. Okay, copy it. You can come to the form. If you want to open this variable related form, you can right click, then you will be able to see configure variable. Yes, I'm clicking on configure variable here. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to type specification. I'm going to type specification. So here we have advanced advanced configure. Okay. Yes. I'm updating it. I'm closing all not required things. Yes, I'm trying it. Okay. Now you can see when I select Anji users related roles only appear here. Maybe we have 16 roles. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes or no? It is appearing only Anji's roles, right? That too, these all are the direct roles we have assigned to Anji user. Okay, got it? Yes or no? Okay. Now we have to write a code for role deletion. Okay, for that, I'm going to run script activity. I will say remove role from here. Okay. Stage, I'm selecting fulfillment. Scroll down. Where user equal to current to dot variable start variable that is user equal to current to dot variable start group. Okay, perfect. Next, where gr equal to new record of this underscore user underscore has underscore role. This is the relationship table for user and role. gr dot add query of user comma user sysID. Gr dot add query of group role comma role sysID. So I'm filtering with these two fields, gr dot query. So at a time we are deleting only one record. That's why I'm writing the condition. Okay, gr dot next. Then come here. Gr dot delete record. Okay, the role will automatically delete. Any queries from this logic? Tell me. I'm copying the code, submitting it. Okay, fine. I will also copy paste the notepad. Role from the copy it. Here previously I have added sysID also, right? But only it is blocked. Yes. This is second one. I'm copying scripting to go and this one both. Okay. Okay. Paste in here. Okay. Yes. So in the workflow also we have written code, right? So I'm also copying this to notepad. Okay, fine, perfect. Now you can see. Now I'm attaching this to our flow. This runs with activity. I'm attaching. Definitely it will give me a role. Now you can say I'm selecting as user. Maybe I will select first of all Ashok IT user role. Okay. I'm ordering now. You can come to this one. You can see stage showing fulfillment and open. Now you can see the workflow. Workflow is, oh my God, we got error. Role is not defined. We made some mistake. Wait. Sorry. Here I made a group by mistakenly. Okay. So we have to keep role here. Okay. Got it, everyone? So this line I made mistake. By mistake, I use it group. Saving it. You can update this. Now again, you can submit a request. Okay, we'll check how it looks like. So I'm refreshing here. Saying NG user. Underscore. Ashok IT user, Ashok IT role I'm selecting. I'm clicking on order. When you click on order now, it will automatically delete that role from the user. So here you can see even stages also fulfillment state open. Even the workflow is completed. Workflow complete అయిపోయినప్పటికీ కూడా stages చూడండి, stage state fulfillment open. This is not correct actually. Okay, we have to keep state and stage values properly. That's why we have added extra activities in our previous workflow, like set value activity, like approval action activity kind. Okay, we'll add for this also later. Okay, yes, workflow is complete. Then come to the end user and you can refresh it. One role is reduced from this list. You can see previously it is 16, now it is 15 only. That too. So we are it's not visible Ashok IT role here because of it is deleted from end user. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes or no? We have successfully deleted role or not to this user. Yes, we have successfully deleted role to this user. So, and we'll make something like, wait. We will make requested for field as same as this user and all, and like going to the manager approval of selected user and all. Okay. Yes. I'm going to request also. Requested for is system administrator. Here requested for is. Okay, perfect. Now you can see. Now we have to set the previous in the previous catalog item. Yes, we haven't modified anything for the requested item. Requested for in the requested item, requested for in the request. But my planning is to keep this requested for in request table and requested for in requested item table same as this user, same as this ng user. Okay, got it? Yes. For that, I'm going to workflows. For that time workflows, I'm using the run script activity. Okay. So here I'm saying set request fields. Request or RITM fields, you can say. Okay. Stage. Here I'm not giving any stage. Okay, we don't require actually. So you can see. And what I'm saying where user equal to current to dot variable start variable name is user. Okay. Yes. Next var gr equal to new glad record of sc underscore request. First of all, I'm changing the requested for value in the request table. Gr dot wait add gr dot add query of sys comma current dot request. Okay, perfect. Gr dot query. Here we are changing only one value, so that's what I'm keeping if condition. Gr dot next. Gr dot requested requested for equal to okay user. Gr dot update. This is update query actually. Any queries here, please let me know. Any queries here from this script? Like I'm setting the request field request. I'm setting the this requested for value. Okay, got it everyone? Yes or no? I'm setting this field value, guys. So any queries from this script, please let me know. So why I kept current dot request? This workflow we have written on the requested item table. Okay, on this table we have written. So how to get the sysid of request by using this request field current dot request. Okay, then we will get the request to sysid. Yes, I'm navigating to that record. Then after I'm changing the requested for value as user. Selecting. Okay, got it. Everybody got it. Guys, without responding, without I'm getting response from you. I'm taking classes is my time waste, I feel. Okay, if you are in the class actively, then you can respond. Okay, otherwise please don't respond. Don't attend the class also. Okay, I will close these classes as soon as possible. If you are not interested. So I'm asking multiple times, but only 1 or 2 members is responding. So please try to understand. Okay, perfect. Yes, I'm copying this code to Notepad. Yes, if you feel is these classes are boring or we're not able to understand what you are feeling, please tell me. So if you are not responding means you have some problem with this class. Yes, please tell me what's the issues you are facing with this class. Are you able to understand scripting? First question. So are you attending classes actively? And third one, why you are not responding when I'm asking? Yeah, I'm waiting for everyone's response here. So I want to know, it's very, very important concept. Service catalog is very, very important concept. Okay. We already discussed 2 to 3 times how important it is. Yes, Kasi, please tell me why you are not responding. Are you there? Kasi, are you there?
Yes, Anji.
Yes, why you are not responding? Are you able to understand?
Yeah. Scripting, I know.
Okay, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. If I give one scenario, are you able to do it right away? Yes, please.
Sorry.
Yes, if I give one use case, are you able to do it right away?
Yeah, JavaScript basics only I know this.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, so I said this Friday I'm going to give holiday, right? No, I will not give holiday. And that day I will take the class and I will ask for the questions and answers, and I will ask you to write some syntaxes. I will ask you to write some use cases by sharing your screen. Okay, definitely you have to attend that class. You must attend that class. Then you can participate in question and answer section. You can write whatever the syntaxes I have asked in the notepad. Okay, so you can also write the use cases. Maybe everyone will get only one use case. Okay, if it is questions, maybe you will get 1 or 2 random questions and one use case from the scripting. It may be a syntax or it may be a use case. Okay, so please try to attend on this Friday. I will not explain any class on that day, only this question and answer section. Okay, if you are not attended that class, definitely I will remove the Google Drive access and I will not allow you to the classes. Okay, please keep reminder. So we have Friday class. In that class, we are discussing all these things. Okay, perfect. So basically, I'm confusing whether you guys are sleeping or actively participating. So if you are not responding what I feel, so it is early morning at 6 a.m. I was confusing whether you guys are actively listening the class or sleeping. Okay, please try to listen the classes carefully. This service catalog is very, very important. Guys, what I feel, so until administration, if we go to any institute, yes, they will definitely explain what we discussed. So if it is a development, I don't think they will explain these many use cases. Okay, I don't think they will explain these many use cases. Okay, please understand that why I'm explaining these many use cases. Okay. Next, you can see, yes, we are trying to update a request to table requested for field. Yes. So here you can see for this run script activity, at least we haven't provided any stage also. Yes, I'm keeping like this. And we can order one item again. Okay, I'm going to catalog item from you again, and I'm refreshing it. So I'm selecting Angie user. Data.technology user, for example. I'm ordering now. Okay, I'm ordering now. Now you can see the request requested for. Who is requested for here? Who is requested for here? This user or not?
Anji.
Yeah, whatever the
Yes.
whatever the user we selected in the catalog item form, it is appearing here. Even you can go to the requested for. In the requested item, who is requested for? System administrator. Still, we have to change this value. Yes, again, I'm going to run script activity here. Yes. I will say here, along with this script, I will also write something. Current dot requested for equal to user. Okay. Then I will say current dot update. I will say current dot update. Guys, this logic is updating SC underscore request table. This logic is updating requested item table. Got it, everyone? So why directly I have written current dot requested for current dot update? Because of our workflow in the requested item table itself. Okay. Got it, everyone? Yes, sir.
Yes, Anji.
Okay, fine. So I will also copy this logic to Notepad. I'm updating it. Saving it. Close it. Close it. I'm going to open catalog item, refreshing. So here I'm saying Anji user. Role. Maybe Durga IT user I'm selecting. Order now. Yes. We can check RITM user. Request changed or not? Yes. RITM requested for is changed. RITM requested for is changed. So even in the request also, we have successfully changed the requested for. Okay. Got it, everyone? Yes. Now I'm publishing this workflow. Remaining things within this workflow, I will explain you in tomorrow class. Okay, like one manager approval. So maybe with this workflow, we'll utilize the notification activity, catalog task activity, event trigger activities, turnstile activity. Maybe we will utilize the rollback activity. These activities we will utilize within this workflow. I will explain this tomorrow. Okay, I'm closing this workflow. Yes. Now we can come here. So here I have one requirement. Now you can see, guys, within this RITM, are we editing this data, this variables information here? No, we are not editing, right? We are not editing, right? This information here. Whatever the data we have given in the catalog item form, it is constant. Then if we are not editing this variables information in the RATM form. Why we have to keep these variables editable? Why we have to keep these variables editable in the RATM form? No, I don't want to keep these variables editable on the requested item form. That means we have to keep these variables read only. Okay, we have to keep these variables read only. For that, I'm going to catalog item. Wait, I'm going to maintain items and I will keep those variables read only. Maintain items. Remove role from results. Wait, it's loading. Now you can go to the catalog client script, or even you can go to the catalog UA policy. You can also go to the catalog UA policy. Okay. So we already, so first of all, I'm opening catalog UA policy. If we write read only on the requested item form, you can create one catalog UA policy. You can unselect this catalog item view, applies on catalog task. You can uncheck this and you can keep applies on requested item, and you can make a read only true. Okay, you can make read only true. Then it will only apply to the requested item table. Got it? These options. Now we keep in 3 places here. Then it's getting applying the requested item form, catalog task form, and catalog item view. Okay, if you want only web policy and the requested item form, yes, you can keep only that one. For example, this mandatory, I don't want on the requested item form, so I'm removing. I want only this field mandatories on the catalog item form. Got it? I want only this mandatory applies on the catalog item form. Then you can come here and you can see in the only catalog item form, it will appear. You can come here. Yes, user is mandatory, role is mandatory. You can go to the RATM. Here there is no mandatory, these fields. No mandatory here. Yes or no? Yes, here there is no mandatory. For example, I want to create a new catalog UA policy here. I want to create a new catalog UA policy to make requested item variables read only. Okay. Make user and role read only on RATM. I'm saying like this. Okay, RATM. So it has to apply on the RATM only. Okay, I'm selecting like this. I'm saving it. Yes. You can come here, click on new catalog UA policy action. User read only true. Submit. Again, I'm clicking on new button. Role. Read only true. Okay, perfect. Now you can come and see here in the RATM form, variables are read only. Read only or not in the RATM form. Okay, in the catalog item form, variables are mandatory. Okay, we have created 2 different. So here you can see, whenever we are making mandatory here, it is applying only to the catalog item view. Whenever making read only, we are applying it to only requested item. Okay, got it? Yes or no? Perfect. We have created 2 catalog UA policies here. Maybe in the next catalog item, I will explain you. I will create some catalog client scripts also. Okay. Yes. First of all, I will take attendance. I'm saving it. Okay, perfect.